just heard was from the AMG CLS 63. It's a Westech AMG package. In order to stand right behind it when they have it on full throttle, you have to cover your ears with these so you can hear yourself. Right now I'm going to show you what our current project is about. We're doing a Ferrari F12. So what we do here is mainly we take everything apart from the front bumper. We're going to take out the headlight. We're going to take out the mirrors, the handles. Handles, rear bumper, trunk, antenna, anything that needs to be covered or tucked in, we remove. So then it'll be a cleaner job for everybody. Wrap it inside here, and yeah, so we take out everything, even the grill right here. Take that apart, and we're gonna be taking out the door. Ready? Hold on. Okay. One shot.
Oh shit. Oh, nice. Yes.
Alright guys. This one, I'm gonna hit the trash. No. I missed the trash. So just giving you guys an update of today's progress. We are gonna put a hold on this Ferrari that's behind me. And we're gonna start working on the Corvette. Let me give you more of a history of this Corvette. Have you guys been to SEMA? You've probably seen this car. This car was at, I believe, at one of the booths at SEMA. And right after it came back from SEMA, straight we went to the LA Auto Show. And now we're gonna be installing these bad boys here. So we have it on the lift, and yeah, it's getting ready to be removed, uninstalled, and reinstalled back. They're gonna be still doing the wrap on the car. While they do the wrap, I'll be working on that car. What's up? Yeah, they're coming. Yeah, you want a picture? We'll give you a picture. But anyways, so just so you know, one of the customers' car just showed up. Collision stuff. So I'll give you a look. Here's the damage. Basically the front bumper and the fender. And it looks like the wheels kind of scuffed up. So yeah, we're gonna take care of this for the customer once it comes down. It should be done within a week or so. Usually it depends on how the paint is, but then the paint is OEM. So we're gonna have George here bring the car down. Hi, George.
Hi.
This is how we take out the trash. Like a trailer, and go. It's Kevin, not Evan. God damn it. What's up? Yeah, this is big. Where are you going? Alright, hey, so just giving you guys an update. We finally finished the FJ. So
hey, what's up?
This project took a while, but it's based on because of all the stuff that the customer wanted on the vehicle. Car used to be, I believe, it's like a baby blue color. We changed it to gloss pearl white. As you can see from the outside, you can't see any blue, and that's our intention. But if you look closely, we only did the exterior, so the interior is still blue, as you can see. Door jamb is still blue. All right here is blue, but you know, when you close the door, you don't see any blue at all. And that's what we call a full wrap. And then usually, if it's like door jambs and everything, we call it a complete wrap. So yeah, just giving you guys an update, and that's it. And yeah.
Take me to the bottom.